today I've got something really cool to unbox, as this is the Ant Value CV100 mid-tower gaming cabinet. Now I picked this up from Amazon for just $35 US, and for that price it looks pretty solid with a tempered glass side panel and 3 pre-installed RGB fonts. Let's check out what's inside and I'll tell you everything, how it looks, build quality, airflow, and if it's worth buying in 2025. It came in this plain cardboard box, nothing fancy, but it was well packed. Here's the cabinet first impression. It's beautiful. Now, opening the side panel wasn't as easy as I expected. It took me a few minutes. At first I was struggling a bit, I'll be honest, but once I figured out the trick, it was easy. You have to push the metal panel slightly forward and then it slides out. After that opens up just fine. Still, if you're new to PC building, this might need a little patience. Let's talk about design. This tempered glass side panel makes the build look premium. You can clearly see all your internal components, GPU, a motherboard, RGB fans. It's like showing off your PC's engine. It comes with 3 pre-installed RGB fans, 2 on top and 1 at the back. There's also a button at the front to change the RGB modes. Beauty. The lighting isn't fully customizable. The fans just rotate through preset modes. Still, at this price, the build is good for a budget case. Not super thick metal, but sturdy enough. Supports ATX, micro ATX, ITX motherboards. Also has space for long GPUs and SSD HDD slots. Cable management is alright. There's space behind the motherboard tray for routing wires neatly. If your budget is tight and you're looking for a good looking cabinet, this one is a solid option. Sure, opening the side panel glass might need a little help, but once it's done, this cabinet looks beautiful. And with the 3 fans already included, good airflow design and a stylish transparent side, I'd say go for it. Alright guys, and that's it for today's video. If you liked the unboxing or found it helpful, leave a like and drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more PC parts reviews and budget tech videos.